We watched the MJ movie, Michael Jackson. No, and then Michael Jackson played the Twister. I wanna buy this one. How much is this? So look, this is how you can play. So Michael Jackson played this when we watched him. It's $29.99. It's $29.99 for the Twister. You won't have this to Disney. So if you press B, if you press M, you can say Mickey. If you press C, which Disney, like that. You know what that means, Reve? I want this at $29.99. I want this so you can press which Disney character. If you press A, who's the A Disney character, babe? Think of any A character from Disney. Pink, 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 pink. Pink, babe. You want me to say it? Ano, Ariel from Little Mermaid.
Yeah.
You forgot. And they have Connect for all that games. Don't forget to like and subscribe.